welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk to you about what I do to reduce anxiety. So this particular day, I was feeling very anxious and I was trying to figure out why I was anxious, and I decided that I needed to clean up my space. So one way that I feel anxious and I feel a little bit overwhelmed is when my physical environment is in kind of disarray. So what I did was I ended up taking the afternoon. This only took me about 2 hours, and I went around my house and I cleaned. I did dishes, I picked up the living room, I vacuumed, all that kind of stuff. This is one way for me to really make sure that my physical environment is clean and tidy and orderly, and I make sure that everything in my physical environment is where it needs to be. This steamer I got on Amazon and I absolutely love it. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Lindsay. I post videos every Friday, even though I haven't been awesome at that lately, but hopefully this video gives you some cleaning motivation and hopefully gives you some ideas of what you need to look at in your life to reduce the amount of clutter, and also ways that you can reduce your anxiety. To do today was tackle the tasks that definitely I don't do that often, like cleaning the dog bowl, filling up the dog thing. I don't know what to call that. That's what we use to feed the dog every day, and just getting those things and those tasks done that don't get done that often. Here comes a face that I am extremely frustrated because, yep, there it is. That face is a face of irritation, because I had spent all that time making the bed and my video camera was not recording. Also, if you guys noticed that I have a butterfly on my face, I had spent the day at a local picnic for my company, and my cousin's daughter, Dania, she went with us, and we both got our faces painted. So I got a butterfly, she got a unicorn. And I'm ending the night with doing a skincare routine. So this is a mask from Origins that I really like. And usually when I put a mask on, I will sit at my desk and do all the tasks that need to be done. So I'm budgeting, I am making sure all the credit cards are paid, I clear out my inbox, things like that. Just things that definitely need to get done, but sometimes fall on the wayside. I also like to clear off my phone and make sure that everything is answered. I haven't left any text messages unread. I've responded to everybody. Anything that I did from the day, so because I had spent the day at the picnic, so I wanted to post some pictures, so I went ahead and did that. Really just spending the time and making sure that I'm not forgetting anything when it comes to stuff that I have on my phone. And I'm ending the night with a beer, some donuts, some chicken fried rice, and some TV. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and tell me what you guys do to reduce your anxiety. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.